We just had a change of plan. We just got down here at Cotton Farm and see. So we are heading toward Kuntala Waterfall and see someone bonfire in the middle of nowhere. So we have just got a ticket for Kuntala Waterfall. Cost 50 rupees for 5 person. Kuntala Waterfall is in Telangana and it's around 30 km from Tipeshwar. We just get to know that there are 400 stairs to climb. Let's see how much we can do. There are a lot of stairs. A lot of people warned us right now that don't go down. If you go down, then it's hard to climb up. So I'm going to show you from here how it looks. There are very few places in Telangana where you can see the beauty of waterfall, and this place is one of them for sure. This place is a mixture of hiking, trekking and waterfall. You can see the people, so small. Can you see there? It is really down. I'll be going there. Starting from here, it's going down. So this waterfall is at distance of 58 km from Adilabad and 260 km from Hyderabad. Situated in the middle of Sahyadri mountain ranges near Neredikonda village. There is a motorable road till the entry point of waterfalls, from where about 400 steps have to be trekked down to reach the bottom of the falls. It's being said that monsoons and post-monsoons are the best season to visit Kuntala Waterfall. Or? Right now we are in Kuntala Falls, Kuntala Waterfalls. And this champion, look at this champion, came all the way down to have a bath.
Just 400 steps. Just 400.
Now the main problem would be to climb all the way from here to there. It's beautiful, right? It's beautiful. That waterfall is amazing.
मैं कॉल करने वाली थी तुमको, बहुत आसान है नीचे आना.
ऊपर जाना टफ है ना. Oh, thank God I got a half pant. Keep it right there. Let's go inside. Huh? I didn't know that. I was about to crash. I slipped. But it's very painful, right?
It's good. Acupuncture. Acupuncture वाला चीज़ है.
नहीं होगा. फॉल्स के पास.
फॉल्स के पास जाएंगे, पर मैं भी
निकाल दो.
नहीं.
मुझे देखो.
नहीं वो भीग जाएगा ना मेरे को अभी.
अरे टी-शर्ट निकाल दो.
Shadow.
Magnificent shot.
दिख रहा है क्या वो लोग?
नहीं दिख रहा है.
हाँ वो रे I saw them. Wait.
Joy them.
वो रे.
Stop. Joy them. Well, falling, sitting up there. Those pebbles, those stones, they hurts, man. So, this fall. We are in a waterfall. Let's go there. So I'll show you from here. So this is how it looks. I made a wide view of it. All of them ran away. Chalo. Now we are climbing up 400 stairs. See, so long we have to climb. धड़कता रहता है दिल.
भैया और कितना दूर है भैया?
थोड़ा प्यार से जाइए, रिटर्न आने में बहुत कष्ट होता है.
हाँ यही है.
देखने में जाने में बहुत मजेदार रहेगा,
हाँ
आते टाइम सब हीरोइज्म निकल गया. ये we have reached the summit. We have to go, but still we are taking rest here. Wait, I'm coming. Hey, monkey, monkey, monkey. It took us half an hour to reach here. Rest, rest, rest time. Almost done.
Next, Kir Ganga. I'm coming.
Climb the stairs.
Awesome, Arpita.
Especially when you are really tired.
We did it. We did it. I feel blank. Total blank. See that monkey? It is drinking water. Who said thylacine or Tasmanian tiger is extinct? Here I spotted one.